In this video, I'll be showing you how to require Face ID when opening apps in iOS 18. So we can lock the apps using Face ID. Now you have to make sure that you have updated your phone to iOS 18. Now for this step to work, we have to first long press on the app until a menu pops out, and then we press require Face ID. Now we press require Face ID. So I might have to enter my passcode here. There you go. Okay, now when we open the app again, it will not show app content until we use Face ID or use our passcode. There you go. Now it asks for that, and we can check the app out by entering the passcode or using Face ID. Now when we go back out of the app and go back in, you can see that it is locked and won't show app content unless I use the phone with Face ID. Now that's a pretty useful feature in iOS 18. Now guys, if you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe.